verification to ensure the reliability of the patch quality. Next, we are in front of the production line of the professionally designed biometrics modules, which mainly produces face recognition modules and the fingerprint head modules. The production process includes module debugging, UV curing, focusing, image comparison, analysis, and others. We have also designed a set of biometric module aging test system through independent research and development, which automatically tests images, their clarity, and other functional judgments, and monitors records in real time. To make sure each batch of products is tested by the strict aging system before leaving the factory to guarantee the stability and security of the product quality. We are now at the Assemble Work Center. The workshop's layout and production line design are made with the consultation of experts. We adopt advanced lean design concepts and the visions to enable employees to work easily and happily. The Assembly Work Center includes customer demand engineering configuration, material component assembly, first article inspection, FQC inspection, high temperature reliability test, OQC final inspection, perfect production process design, and quality control process to ensure that all the products meet customers' needs. And new, we are seeing the R&D test laboratory, which is mainly for the new product hardware development, product change reliability verification, reliability test verification before mass production of new products, which include ESD test, leakage, current test, voltage test, power amplification test. New, we are seeing the warehousing, logistics of the finished product. You can see the warehousing products are packed and protected in wooden boxes and are delivered via sea transports. The products are sold in USA, Europe, Dubai, Turkey, Indonesia, Mexico, Panama, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. The Armatura manufacturing is gradually activating the concept of a manned workshop and intelligent manufacturing in the new factory. With systematic and comprehensive planning based on the goals of the various upgrades of product, process, quality delivery, and experience, we are striving to raise the Armatura's global manufacturing service capabilities to the industry-leading level.